Hey there, young chefs at home. Have you ever thought about using rice in a sweet recipe? Well, follow along as we show you how to make a sweet, creamy rice pudding today. Here's what you'll need to make creamy rice pudding. Cooked rice, milk, honey, maple syrup or sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and an egg. Okay, to start this creamy rice pudding, we're gonna add 2 cups of rice, cooked rice, to our saucepan, and 2 cups of milk. And then you can sweeten with sugar, honey, or maple syrup, your choice. We're gonna put a 1/4 cup of sugar in, stir this up, and let it come up to a simmer. Okay, so the rice pudding is done cooking. I'm gonna add a couple of spices, nutmeg and cinnamon. Nutmeg, cinnamon, and we'll stir this in.